Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So anyway, to get started, pull down your notifications, expand this portion right over here, and you will find the screen recorder toggle somewhere in here. For me, it's right over here. Now this is the default location of the toggle, so hopefully for you it's in the same exact place. Now once you find it, you can tap on it. It will ask for access to microphone because it does record audio either through the phone the tablet itself or through microphone, so hearing you, and also storage so it can save the actual recording somewhere. So let's grant it. Gives us a quick overlay, so microphone toggle on off, and also the timer on how long it's been recording. So right now, as you can see, it is recording. I did mute it right now. So anyway, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device, so keep that in mind. You can open up some apps. I would probably recommend not recording when you're trying to put in some passwords, obviously. But anyway, once you're done with the recording, you can tap right here to stop it. This will then save it into your photos. So there we go. Let's open up photos. And in here, you'll have albums and also photos. By default, you should probably be in photos. And you can see it shows us today. So this is the recording, but also if you go into albums, you can see it in here in videos and also screenshots, because it kind of classifies as both of them. So there we go. So anyway, this is how you can record your screen on this tablet, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.